Hey guys, what's up here? 𝙑𝙤𝙣𝙢𝙤, your visual testments. We have to solve a problem with our camper. So we're having a problem with our signal, and plus we go out to some places where the Wi-Fi is a little bit weak, and so I think this is a decision that we came up with, and so this is the new King Extended Pro cellular single King Extended Pro cellular single signal booster. Man, say that 3 times fast and see what you come up with. But this is actually brand new on the market. It's actually 5G ready, 4G, LTE, 3G voice. So what we like about this, it's not like your typical Wi-Fi satellite, or having to get another service plan or something, because this is just what boosts the actual signal from the cell phone towers and bring it into your camper, and then boost it and amplify it inside your camper. So we want to try this thing and see what this would actually do. And so there's no reviews on this yet, and so we just thought, man, you know what, let's just make a video of it, make a video of it, but let's just see what some of the rundown highlights are of this thing. It says supports multiple users on all phones or hotspots. They give you a roof, pole, and ladder mounting brackets. Like I said, there's no additional contract and no monthly fee. It's just pretty much just boosting your signal, your cell phone signal for whatever carrier you have. Hallelujah. So that's an added bonus for us. It's like, okay, we don't want to, because we already have we have Wi-Fi in our truck, we pay for that, and so we're trying to eliminate, not add in more monthly costs. So we're going to do this. So we're going to open this box up, and then we're also going to do an install video on this. So let's go ahead and let's open this guy up and see what we have inside here for an open box. So this just came in the mail. We just came fresh off the UPS truck. We ordered it. We ordered this from Amazon. Okay, so little pamphlet here. KX2000.
KX2000 King Extended Pro cellular signal booster.
So, all right, we got 2 mystery boxes here. Let's see what we got in this thing here. See if I can yank it out with one. Oh, there's 2 boxes. Feels like something very heavy in this box. Set that aside there. I can just really tear into these boxes. Okay, we'll get to that in just a second. Oh, I see it's off the side. And then this big box sounds like hardware to me here. The one-handed bandit right here, that's what I am. I need 2 more arms. That's all right. Let's see what we got here. Boxes inside of boxes inside of boxes inside of boxes. Or like one of them Russian dolls or something.
That little doll. Oh my goodness, look at that.
Yeah.
It keeps going. It keeps going. There's more dolls in here.
No,
Let's see what this thing says. Everything you'll need is inside the box. So I guess everything that's in this mystery box is here. I just have to find out which in each box. So it gives you a booster mounting bracket, the outside antenna, the inside antenna, the mounting bracket, ladder or pole mounting hardware, and AC/DC supply, and the instructions with a 25-foot cable. Awesome. So which is cool. And so different type of mounting brackets, one for your ladder if you're going to attach it to your ladder if you have one of those on your camper, or they give you a pole to mount it separate from your camper, or they have the mounting bracket for your top of your camper somewhere else if you don't have a ladder and you want this that permanently mounted. So let's look at this. And it gives you a 2-year warranty. That's awesome. Okay, anything else in this box? Doesn't look like it. duty. I got some pretty big hands, but man, that thing is pretty massive. That's the actual booster. Okay, so we got everything. That's what they say. So you got your booster, outside antenna, your inside antenna with cable, so 13-foot cable, 25-foot cable. Let's see, mounting brackets, your plug, and your instructions. So there you go, you got it all in here. So that's good. That's one thing you always want to check, make sure they sent you everything, and they did. So next we'll go ahead and install this thing. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comment below, and we'll get this thing installed so that way you guys can see how this works. We'll test it, kind of give our review on this thing, and then let you know if this is something that you may want to get yourself. All right, thanks for watching.